Hello everyone! Earlier this week, thousands of developers met at Microsoft Build event to hear about our latest innovations. If you're a business or a technology decision maker, you may be wondering how you can get value for your organization from all these announcements. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you 5 questions that you may ask your developers or your technology partner related to Azure innovation announced at Build. Let's jump right in. So here's our first question. How can we save cost and increase agility while ensuring regulatory compliance with Platform as a Service? What is Platform as a Service? PaaS is similar to renting your car fleet. It gives you the flexibility of owning a car, and you don't need to manage the servicing and all other issues under the hood. At Microsoft Build, we announced a new family of services called Azure Application Services. These services accelerate the time to market with turnkey solutions. They are intelligent and infused with artificial intelligence to provide advanced insights. You can quickly incorporate open source technology across the globe for faster development. They are customer-centric with analytics for activation, retention, and A/B testing baked in, and they are secure by design. Most importantly, your developers can write code once and then deploy the same application on any cloud platform or your on-premises infrastructure to meet the regulatory requirements you may have. Many companies are already leveraging the PaaS value. Now let me give you 2 great examples. Mercedes-Benz is improving the in-vehicle experience for their customers by delivering applications dynamically over the air instead of requiring an in-person maintenance visit. Think about all the cost and time saving and convenience they are offering to their customers. Second, in healthcare, Siemens Healthineers can deploy and manage their apps in tens of thousands of locations to help maintain their MRI scanners, CT scanners across the hospitals in 70 countries across the globe. Again, a huge gain of time and cost. Let's move to our second question. How can we improve time to market with turnkey services for our existing applications? A faster way to market is to leverage ready solutions that can integrate fast with your existing applications. These new services enable your developers to accelerate time to value for common scenarios versus building from scratch. At Build event, we had 2 key announcements. First, to help developers build artificial intelligence solutions faster, we announced an additional category of services called Azure Applied AI Services. Each service addresses a common need and generates new opportunities such as improving customer experiences, automating document processing for operational efficiency, understanding the root cause of anomalies, and extracting insights from content like documents or videos. For example, Lufthansa used Azure Video Analyzer to improve flight turnaround times, and Dow Chemicals uses it to enhance workplace safety with leak detection. Samsung used Azure Metrics Advisor to monitor the health of their smart TV service. They enhanced their previous system to provide automated, granular root cause analysis that helps engineers locate issues and shorten the time to resolution. Second, let's talk about Azure Communication Services. It's the first fully managed communication platform offering from a major cloud service provider. Here you can see how Azure Communication Services can be used to build a custom experience on a retail website with chatbots, SMS, and video calling, all wrapped in your own business solution, and your customers can connect with zero friction wherever they are on their desktop, phone, or tablet. Question 3. What new experiences can we unlock by connecting our physical environment with digital? Think about your organization and your physical environment. It can be your hospital, your factory, or production line. Imagine if you could create a digital twin of your environment. What would you do? The possibilities are definitely endless. By creating live, data-bound digital copies of our physical environments, we can apply modern software techniques, analytics, simulation, autonomous control, and interactions with mixed reality to achieve previously impossible benefits. A great example is AB InBev. They use Azure Digital Twins to create a comprehensive digital model of their factory and supply chain. Synchronized with their physical environment, the digital model is live and up-to-date, reflecting the complex relationships between the natural ingredients and the production process. And this enables their team to adjust based on active conditions. This also provides frontline operators with an integrated view of their quality and traceability information, helping them to maintain uptimes on the machines required during the packaging process. At Build, we announced our end-to-end platform to create similar experiences for your organization. From digital twins for modeling to Azure Synapse Analytics to track the history and find insights to predict future states. Machine Learning Platform lets you build autonomous systems. You can experience the best of mixed reality with HoloLens. And finally, Power Platform enables your employees to interact with data with low-code and no-code solutions. Each layer of this technology stack is incredibly powerful on its own, but when used together, it powers one of the most transformative waves of computing we've ever seen. Question number 4. Do we have any applications running on Java platform? It's a simple question, right? And if the answer is yes, your gains can be huge, as Azure can be the home for your enterprise Java applications now. The Java ecosystem is complex, and running Java applications in the cloud at an enterprise scale can be challenging. Our customers are asking us to help them modernize their Java applications and run them on an enterprise-grade platform. We made substantial investments in Java to support a wide range of customer workloads. We now support a full range of Java application servers through collaborations with Red Hat, Oracle, and IBM. For your mission-critical Java applications running on premises, we announced marketplace offerings for Red Hat JBoss and IBM WebSphere, all running on Azure. We've seen our customers do amazing things with Java and Azure. A great example is Kroger. Kroger is America's largest grocery retailer with over 2,800 stores. They're using Azure to run their real-time mission-critical Java applications. One of their mission is to find a solution that tracks store inventory and balance on hand for items across thousands of stores. With this solution running on Azure, Kroger estimates that they can drive up to $2.6 billion of recovered lost sale opportunities. If you have such Java applications, it can be a great time to migrate or surround your solutions with Azure Platform today. And we reached to question number 5, and this question is actually to you. What are you doing to empower your developers? We witnessed during the pandemic that developers enabled organizations to grow and transform, and those that were not ready digitally were left behind. At Build, we announced our next-generation developer platform to accelerate your developers' velocity and enable them to build productively, collaborate securely, and innovate at scale, no matter where they are. For example, with the new GitHub Codespaces, your developers can now have a development environment hosted within the cloud in seconds, and they can collaborate wherever they are. If you'd like to learn and explore more about those opportunities, make sure you visit the Microsoft Build news site. So, what would you do next to empower your developers? Thank you.